sunny, guys. Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. This is Amazing Grace. Today guys, we're gonna do unboxing. I'm sorry about my background, but this is the perfect place for me to do the unboxing because all our stuff are being put here because I think it's easier. So as you see guys, on Monday, we're going for a trip and this is our vacation. It's been a long time after the pandemic days. So I think we deserve it. So as of now, I'm gonna show you what we bought for, or the things that we bought for our vacation. Things that we needed. Things that we needed or need to be changed. So as you see here, we have our new tent, and this is Coleman Cortez 4, or it means it's good for 4 people. So this is how it looks like guys inside. I'm not going to open it here, but this is how it looks when you have, or if you're done setting this up. And yes, we bought this also guys. Anyway, we have tent, but the tent that we had, I bought it I think 2011 for 1 kroner. I went to the online shop and it's like auction, and it's been so long, and then I waited for the last minute and then some seconds left, then I click for 1 kroner because there's so many that are in the auction that time. So I think everyone is focusing on something, but I saw the tent and click and paid for 1 kroner, and that is around 50 pesos or $1. Oh, sorry, wrong. 1 kroner is 10 pesos. And that's maybe, I don't know how much is that in dollars, guys. But yes, thank you for correcting me. You see, guys, I'm really bad in mathematics. That's why I choose English as my major. You see? Palusot. So, anyway, we have tent, we have sleeping bags, we have also mattress, everything. But this year, I think, because I don't know, but and Stephanie is growing, so I think he needs the bigger sleeping bags. So this time, Anva bought his new sleeping bags. And it's a men's regular, and this is Nemo equipment. So this is a sleeping bag that Anva bought for himself. And then, behind me, Anva bought this electric air pump that we're going to use to pump our mattress. Air mattress that we are going to sleep on. So this is it guys. This is how it looks. Shall I... The rest guys, I'm not going to do I'm not going to open it. If you want Stephanie, you can join me. This is how it looks inside guys. This is the pump that you can use to pump the mattress or whatsoever that needs to be pumped with air. And this you can use or you can charge it into or using our car. So this is how it looks guys inside, and of course as you see, this is for car, and this is how it looks like. We have all this. So this is the electric air pump because we're so excited for camping, for the trip. And we have also this gas burner. This is how it looks. This small thing here. And this storm kitchen we already have. So this is how it looks inside. Oh, that's I think Alvin. This is how it is. You see guys, it's still new. Brand new. That we're gonna use. And there's also a pouch included. So this is our gas burner, or yeah, the gas burner. And then we have, of course, if we have the gas burner, we have gas. Is this a gas, Anva? And we have two gas burner and a gas. And of course, we have this cup for our coffee. this is for me and Anva. It's because Stephanie is not drinking coffee or tea or any warm drinks. So, this is for me and Anva, guys. So, we put it in our side. It's so cute, right? I like it. This is made of wood. And, of course, typical Norwegian thing. And, of course, we don't buy only for me and for Anva. We also bought something for Stephanie. A frisbee. Look, if you only can see the face of Stephanie, guys. You see, she said that face. And another one, we have this fishing, how you call this, Anva? Fishing hooks. New one. This. And of course, a new telescope fishing rod for Stephanie. I have mine. And of course, we can't use Anva's fishing kit and fishing rods. It's because it's expensive and made of fiberglasses. So, this we bought for Stephanie. And I have mine already there. So, I think this time, because we're going to camp and we're going to sleep in the, in the nature. So, I think Stephanie is going to enjoy. And of course, we're going to fish together with us. So, we bought extra fishing hooks for her to use. But I think this one is for Anva because it's big. It depends if you're going to fish in the sea or we're going to fish at the fresh water. So this is the fishing rod. I put it in my side here. And the last but not the least, the reason why we need the air pump here is because we bought us the new air bed. So this is what me and Anva is going to sleep, and Stephanie have her own. So maybe we're gonna bring the old tent also, so Stephanie can sleep in her own tent. It depends. It's really up to her if she knows how to set up her own tent. If not, then she have a big problem. So this is air bed that we need to pump with electric air pump. So,
It's a mattress.
Yeah, it's a mattress or air bed. It's the same. So this is it, guys, and I'm not going to open it for you. I'm just showing it now, but we're gonna open it if we are already in the camping place. So I do only the back unboxing to those that I can unbox, to the things that I can unbox, I mean. And we bought it from XXL. And behind me, oh, there's one also here. And bought me another things that I can use for my GoPro, because now I have only the, what you call this, like a selfie stick or holder. But this one, guys, in order for me, no need to hold, or no need for my GoPro to jump or fall, Anva bought me this suction cup that I can use or can be put in our car. So you can also put it outside the car or inside the car. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This is just how it looks, guys. So simple. And then the rest is just extra, what you call this? Shall I open everything, Anva? With this? No, with this air pump. And inside here, this one. So that you can hold, you can have your pump, or add something like this so you can use in your car. I don't know how it's going to assemble, but yes, guys, we have a new extra gadget for our GoPro, for my GoPro 10. So I put it in the side here because I'm going to, I think, put it in the car tomorrow or today. We'll see. And we have also this new, we bought today in Sweden. This, I think it's time to open it. This is for grill utensils. Oops, it's quite hard. And we bought 8 pairs of this because in one box alone there's, oh, it's strong. This is nice. Anva. So you see, guys, I'm talking to Anva and Stephanie in my right side. And when when you're eating, like for example, grilled beef. Yum. And Stephanie, what you're gonna do is
What?
put it in our, wash it first and then put it in our, what you call this, in our drawer. And this is the another one. So we have 8 set of grill utensils. So there is no what you call this, spoon, only the knife and the fork. So I don't need to open the other one. You see already how it looks like, because I think we really need to change our fork and knife. It's because what we have is made, this handle, guys, is made of woods, but this time this is made of plastic. So I think it's time to change. So this is how it is, guys, how it looks like. And the last but not the least, oh, we have wet wipes for our travel. So you can only open and pull. So, you know, sometimes when you are camping, you need something to wipe your hands, clean your hands, or other things. This is what we're going to use. And the last but not the least, oh, there's more. This one. This is for cleaning our eyeglasses, me and Anva. Especially when you're sweating or something that you touch the glass and make it, you know, you leave the oil prints from your fingers in the glass. So this is the cleaner. And then, and of course, this one, Anva bought it for me. And this is a shaving or a shaver. How it looks like inside. So, I don't need to tell everyone where I use it. But you know, you can use it to shave the hair from your body. Oh, special. This is nice. Oh. Then I'll get a ceramic. It's ceramics. And then we have extra blades. I don't know how many.
And then?
Only one.
And then? You have more there.
We'll see. Oh yeah, we have more. No, this is...
Holder.
You're going to put it on the wall or something, then it's going to hold the shaver like this. So it's it's also to hold it dry from water.
And then? More?
So we'll see what I have more inside. Like Stephanie said, have you opened it? Then why you know? You opened it before me?
No.
Okay.
We asked the lady.
Wait. There's something more that Stephanie is trying to tell me. So you mean you asked the lady where you bought this, you and Daddy? I haven't. Because, you know, guys, I walk away from them. Here's the instruction how it's... Hey there, it's so nice to meet you. You see? So you can, yes, put it in the mirror or something to hang it. You decide. Or in your... So you can use to shave your armpit. You see it? Like what I said, any parts of your body where your hair grow and you want to shave it away. So I think this is only for the armpit, guys. It's because it shows here, armpit only. If you use it in other parts of your body, it's your choice. If I use it in other parts of my body, it's my choice. But I do use shave my hair on my legs. And need refill and blades, I can use this barcode. Then I can just get a new blade. I think it's free. So this is so nice because it's inside this box. Mood leaves me alone. Mood, leave me alone. Seriously, I've been waiting for this. This is what it's written in this box.
Moody, moody.
So this is what's inside and everything. And there's one more here. It's only the same with this. So guys, this is all what we have. How about this, Anva? Do I need to take it from this, Anva?
Yeah.
Shall I take it? No. So this is only how it is, guys. I don't need to take it off from this carton yet. So it stays in the place. So I'm going to, I think, show you when we are already in a fishing trip or in our camping trip. So this is how it is, guys. So these are the things that we for everyone. This is my own telescope fishing rod that I use to fish, and it catches a lot of fishes already, of course. And we have this straw We have paper cups because now we are, and this is our storm kitchen, we call it, guys, because it's inside. Inside here is already used one, and of course it's still clean. This is what we're using when we cook our food. And inside we have this, you can use to fry something. This is to hold the things because it's warm, just like this. And just leave it. And inside, this is going to be like a burner. You put it down like this. And then inside we have also kettle and the gas burner. That is safe. But I'm not going to open that because I show you we have a new, we bought new gas burner. So this is where you're going to, this is a casserole where you can cook rice and pasta. This is 2 different sizes. And this, guys, is 2. You're going to put it together and like you twist it and put it in place. And then, of course, you need to take this away and put it down like this. And you have a burner. And, of course, you cook something. You see, it's safe. Even though it's blowing outside, the fire is intact. And your food will be cooked 100%. Here, it's the same. It's a smaller casserole. And this is also, you can use as a
Pancake.
frying pan. Pancake? What pancake?
Yeah, you can make
You see, it's dark color.
You can make pancake.
And then you put it all cover like that. But, yes. So, gonna do, put it back again. Just like this. This is the kettle where you cook water. Here is for cooking soup. This is for cooking water. And inside there is a gas burner. So we put it inside all together like this. And put it up like that. So who would have think, guys, you have all these things ready and complete
Next
set of your kitchen. Just with these things alone. You see? And all this is already complete set of kitchen and your cooking utensils. See, guys? This is how it's nice. And of course, this is what I love. We're looking for the plates made of wood, but I think it's sold out in the place where we've been. So we don't need to think about that because we have many and plenty of paper plates and plastic plates. So what's important are all these things. So, yes, you have an idea for our vacation trip, the camping trip. And this is all, guys. Thank you for watching. And to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bells so you are updated to all the videos that I'm going to share. And if you want to see more videos from me, leave comment and do write something, suggestions, anything that you like. And this is how all is gonna end. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.